Hello everyone, this is GR from GR Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you string manipulation in Python. So in some previous video, we have already learned some string manipulation functions such as format and so on and so forth. But in this video, we're going to specifically focus on advanced concepts such as string slicing, len stripe, converting strings into apple, lowercase, and so on and so forth. So specifically, this video is going to be an advanced string manipulation one. So first of all, I'm going to create a variable called var1. So if you want to store a variable, a string, you can store like it. String is nothing but it is a collection of characters. In other words, it's a text. So what if you want to store long strings like this, you cannot store it. So in order to store long strings, you can use three double quotes like this. Okay, and now it works. So if you want to store long strings, you can use three double quotes like this. Okay, I'm gonna say print var1. So if I execute this program, so I'm going to navigate to desktop and type in program reply, and you can say it print out the data. So this is how you can put long sentence in a string. The next things I want to teach you is converting into array. For example, the strings, if you want to access the first element, you can put 0. So 0 will automatically extract h. So this is called arrays. This string automatically converted into array. So if you want to access e, you can put 1 over here. Okay, and if you execute the program, it's going to return e. Okay, you have to remember this is one of the important things when you work with computers. Programs always starts at 0, not at 1. So if you come from any other programming languages, arrays start at 0, because computer takes 0 as one position. For example, 0 means the first element, the 1 means the second element, so 2 means L, 3 means L, 4 means 0, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can access. If you want to access O, you can put 4. I believe you can put 4, and if you run this, it's going to return O. But never put 5, because even it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make sure the strings, the array starts at 0, so it's going to be 4. So like count like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to access 4, you have to put 0 here. So if you run the program, it is going to return the O. The next concept I want to teach you is length. So if you want to get the length of the array, there's a function called len, and you can just pass the variable here, and if you run the program, it is going to say 5. The length of the array is going to be 5. So if you put extra text here, and it's going to print out that value also. Okay, and if you want to slice this, you can use this method. Okay, stripe. Next is slicing. Slice. Okay, it's pretty simple. There's no slice functions over here. You have to use like this. Okay, 2. This means start at 2, which means 0, 1, 2. This cursor will be here, then 4, 3, 4. So it will print only this double L. So if you want to start at 1, you can put 1 over here, and it will print the rest of them. So if you want to print only start at 2, and if you leave it, it's going to print all of them. All of them means the rest of the things, because if you leave it as empty. So now if you run the program, the cursor will be over here, 1, 0, 1, 2, and it start here, and it's going to print the rest of the things. So this is called slicing. So if you want to slice your strings in Python, you can use this method. Okay, so array access is like this. So if you want to access a specific character, you can put the specific a number, an index point. So if you want to slice it, then you can use this method to slice it. Okay, the next things I want to teach you is stripe. Stripe is nothing but if you have a lot of space like this. Okay, so if you want to remove those spaces, then you can see it has lot of spaces. You can simply use the command called stripe. Okay, so now if you execute the program, so I believe it's gonna be like this. Okay, you have to write the code like this. This is the right format. Okay, not like that. Okay, now I can test. Okay, you have to write like this. You can put your text and you have to put dot and the stripe method. So what will do, it will automatically remove the white spaces from the beginning and the ending. So that's the purpose of that. So if you want to convert to lower, you can put lower. It's going to, if it is in lowercase, uppercase, so I'm gonna say hello like this. So now the text is going to convert it into lowercase. So if you want to convert it into uppercase, you can use upper instead of lower. So now if you run this program, it is going to convert it into uppercase. So like that, if you want to test, if you another important things I want to teach you is split. For example, hello world. So if you split this, if you execute the program, you will be splitted by words. So if you want to split by comma, you can say comma, and now if you execute the program, it is going to split by comma. So if you want to split it by any characters like this, and you can put inside this one, and it is going to split them by that. Okay, and if you don't believe that, I'm going to add another character, and if you run it, it's going to split by this character. So if you want to split it, you can just split it. So if you want to split strings, you can use this split method. The next things, I'm going to teach you some conditional related things. So what we're going to do here, we're going to check. I'm going to write a simple sentence. This is GL. Okay, I want to test if GL is exit inside this string. So in order to test it, I can say GL in var1. So I'm saying if GL exit in var1, print GL is here. GL is here. So otherwise print he's not here. Not here. Okay. Okay, so now if you run the program, it's gonna say GL is here, because this we are checking if GL in var1, which means if GL exit, the text GL exit in this sentence. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to change as HL or something. So now if you execute the program, it's going to say he's not here. Okay, so you can use conditional testing. So next things, I want to teach you some concatenation. So concatenation means my name. So my name is GL. I'm going to concatenate both of them. So in order to do that, I can type var1 plus var2. It will automatically concatenate two strings together. Okay, and it says something. Okay, I missed this assignment operator. Okay, now you can see the my name is GL is concatenated successfully. There's another function in Python called format. For example, if you want to use this, you can use this method format. Okay, and make sure to put small key, and you have to put var1 and var2. If you run this program, it is also going to concatenate. So you can put anything in the middle. So I'm gonna put two pipe signs. So you can see this is how the string concatenation works. So we have learned so many things about string manipulation in Python, such as converting as array, slicing, len, stripe, convert it into lowercase, uppercase, and I have forgot to teach you replace or replace. So I'm going to teach you what is that. So for example, replace means if you want to replace name with age. For example, I'm going to say Okay, new text equal to val dot replace name with age. Now if you print this text, new text, this name will be replaced by age. You can say my age is. So replace is used to replace text, that's it. Okay, and I have also taught split and check strings, which means I teach you how to check if writing some if condition, if something exceed, like that. Okay, and I have also taught you string concatenation and string format. Okay guys, this is all about string manipulation in Python. There are a bunch of commands and there are a bunch of methods available, and you can reference them online. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.